All right. Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into another Monday. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. And if you listen, we've got a great summertime special going on right now. If you would like a 7-week mentorship with yours truly, Dr. Bobby, Sweet Bobby Gaines, you will also get the free trading plan and a free a spreadsheet for you to track your trades for 7 weeks, all for $499. Act now because it is limited. So just send me a message and say, Bobby, sign me up for the mentorship. And we will be glad to spend 7 weeks with you and get you up to going on your own trading plan and have you ready to go. So it's kind of cool, right? Because I love teaching and I'm out of teaching right now because it is the summer. So I have some availability. Look at the linear regression. I had to extend the linear regression lines a little bit because we've not broken out yet. So we'll break out at some point, but right now we're still in a period of consolidation. Consolidation comes before movement. I'm thinking the movement's going to be a move to the upside because the overall trend is up, but we shall see. We could still go down. But it looks like it wants to, it's popping up against the top, popping up against the top, popping up against the top, and it's loading like a spring, right? And what you could see is it looks like this. It's doing this little triangle. You guys seen these little triangles like this, right? So we got a little triangle where it's just it's popping, it's just coiling, and then all of a sudden it's going to go bang, and it's going to go to the upside. That's what I would think that's going to happen, but I don't know. What do I know? Who do I know? I'm just Sweet Bobby Gaines. I have no idea what I'm doing. So don't follow me. Look at the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster says that we are love to go here. We would love to go to the 5340, but at the same time, the 5399.6 is calling our name. So this kind of looks bullish to me as well, even though we are at the point of control, and we do have a little bit of pull to the downside, and we've got pull to the upside. So we could actually do this for the next few days. But I think that upward pull is going to be dominant, and I expect that we will hit the 5400 level at some point in the next 10 days. Let's see what the regular chart looks like today. We are up 6 points, 0.11%, really a nothing burger. VIX is in the 12 handle, AD at negative 64, which would insinuate that we might have a little bit of down movement in the day, but we'll see. The AD could actually go up as well, which it has been over the last little bit. So not much to see here in the market. I think we've got stuff coming up in the Wednesday or something. We've got numbers or something reporting, so we'll see how things go. So today is the 10th. And notice that I just added 72,000 to the account. How did I do that? That is my IRA money. Y'all, this is an IRA in a regular margin account. How did I do it? Oh, behave. This is my Roth IRA that I moved into here with other money. So I got a real IRA and I got a Roth IRA in this trading account. Now we're at 126,863. So Judge, I need my phone, son, so I can see what my account balance is. Hurry. Everybody's waiting with bated breath. All right, so let's see what our little count is up today. If I can find it here. Let's see, here we go. So we are at 126, 864.71. Y'all, that is up 93 cents. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Now, a lot of y'all are wanting the position sizing tab. It's not been really officially released yet. But look at this. I got to make this bigger because my net lick has grown so much. It takes up too much space. So now, look at this here, y'all. It's saying that our recommended tranches per week is 9.4. So what would you do, Hal? If I had to do 9 micros, what is this basically saying I should do?
Just do an ES and save the commissions.
There you go. I knew Hal would have the answer. Save the commissions and do 1 ES. How about that? So our account's big enough now that it can do this. So what we need to do, and I'll show you how this works here, is we need to do buying power per a 112 or per a 111, which is I've been putting in. Let me change that to 111 because I've been doing 111s of late based on Raging Bull's thing. So how much does 111 cost to do this? Well, let's just see. So it's this account here. And make sure that's the only one we got going. So how much buying power does a 111 cost? So let's just see. So let's go here and we'll go to ES. So we got to redo it. And this will show you how the buying power thing works. So we go to 120 days. So we got 8 there or 10 there. So let's go to here. And then what we'll do is we'll say, okay, we're going to buy a 10 delta or sell a 10 delta, right? So that's 10 delta there. And then we're going to buy a 25 delta or so. So let's do this 22 delta, 5250, 5200. Okay. So that's a 111, right? Buy, sell, one. And it says in this account that that's going to cost me $4,039 in buying power. Okay. So let's go back and put that in over there. So 4,000 in buying power for a 111. We'll say 4,100 in buying power. Okay. Now I need to know what a buying power of a 111 is after 15 weeks. So that's at 21 days. So let's look at that, see what it is after 21 days. So let's clear this. And the reason is I'm trying to get an average of the two, right? So 21 days is here. So let's sell the 10 delta here. Actually, I should have done the same strikes, but I don't remember what those strikes were. Let's just kind of see what it was. If we did a 10 delta here, sell that, and then go up to about to 25 or so. So do this one and this one. Now, why does that not look right to me? $9,233.
Because you're closer, less time and you're still close to the money.
Yeah, I need to see what it was on that first one. Let's see how we did.
Bobby, your PDS was only 5 wide on that.
Oh, is that right? Okay, that makes sense. Thank you, Stacy. See, what would I do without y'all? I'd be lost. I'm a ship without a sail. So let's sell 10 here. Okay, you're right. And so go to a 25 delta or so. So that will be, let's do the 53. Let's do the 5350, I guess. Buy that one and 5,300 there. Let's see what that is. $8,000. Let me see if I can do this. I want to do this, what the strength strikes were. Let me go back to 120. Y'all help me remember these strikes. All right, so we'll go here, 112. And we'll go 25. So we're going to do 5250, 5,100. That sounds about right. And then a 10% probability being in the money is going to be about here. So that's going to be $4,400. Let me change that to 4,400. That's what I figured. I thought, let's do 45. And then let's see what it is after 15 weeks. So let's look at these same strikes. Y'all help me remember these strikes, okay? Because I'm going to forget them. We got a 49.50 and a 52.50. 49.50, 52.50. 49.50, 52.50. So let's clear this. 49.50, 52.50. 52.50. Oh yeah, that'll help me. 52.50 and a 5,200 and then a 49.50. How much buying power that takes up? 3,700. Okay, that's good. Let's say 3,700. So then the average BP is about 4,100. So target BP is 5,000. So target per week. So yeah, that gives it that concludes it. See, it's very similar, y'all. The tranches it recommends me to do per week is 1. So now let's go do that tranche. Shall we? So let's clear this out. Let's go. This will be our first ES trade in this thing. So we're going to go out to 112 days. And we're going to sell the 10%. Now, a lot of y'all say, why not am I not doing these as one trade? Now, because my spreadsheet, I keep up with them separate. So that's fine. So let's see if we can get, probably won't get 3150. Let's try it. See, I'm negative. I should have said, we'll probably get it. See? It's all about the secret, y'all. Have y'all read The Secret? I mean, you expect good things to happen to you and good things happen. I like it. So we got filled at 3150 at 4950. 3150. What was it again? I can't, isn't that bad? The mind just goes so much. 4950, 3150. 4950, 3150. 4950 to 3150. What? I don't know. You have to ask Mama. And we moved up to ES. I don't think so. I think we do. So this is naked put 11. Puts naked. What was it? 112 and 610 24. There we go. So let's go put in our put debit spread. A little bit of protection, y'all. So we'll do 1. We'll call this PDS 11. And puts and debit spread $112, 112, 610 24. And let's see what we can get this on for. So let's go trade, clear this out, and we'll go to that 112 days. We're big boys now, y'all. Look at us. So about a 5250, 5200 for $9. Sounds good to me. Probably will get filled. See? So it's all about the attitude. 5250, 5200 for $9. 5250, 5250 for $9. All right, so that's PDS naked put 11. Let's go put those in their little places. And it may be time to start a little hedge up. Y'all want to? Already start a hedge up. So let's see what we got here. We got positions. So we got ES and PDS 11 and NP 11. Okay, here we go. PDS 11. Let's look at our thing, see what it looks like here. And then an NP 11. So this is NP 11. Let's see if any of our groups say it's time to close anything. You always need to look for that, y'all. Do we have any auto close dates? Nope. This one's getting close, you know, but did we not even do our Greeks and ratios? Oh my God, what is wrong with me? Did nobody just say, Bobby, you just going to trade without doing your Greeks and ratios? Wow. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got 77.44. 77.44. Look at that, y'all. 77. Oh yeah, nice. 44. X is at 12. And our buying power is, and I finally did get Bill in this one. So our buying power is 5,088.
I think you need to refresh it first.
Yeah, you're right. Count requirement. Do that. So it looks like 85, 89. Or 10,500, 10,600. Okay, 10,600. So let's put that in. 10,600. Probably don't need a hedge yet, do we? Let's see what our profit thing looks like here. Now, why does it look like that? Anybody know what that looks like? I got a little profit help, but it looks like we're going to make more. It looks like we're long a future, but we're not long a future, are we? Let's see. Futures. No, we don't have any futures. We got stock as Bill. We got options. Those. I'm not exactly sure why that looks like that. But I think that's all we need to do. We're up $20,000 on the day, up 89,379 on the year. I think we're doing good, y'all. So that's it. We are now a big boy because we moved from MES to ES. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow.